another back of the truck special on the Crafted channel. So this is Kennedy Toolbox with a couple of faces on it. You even got the keys. So far I've got the keys to everything. This isn't the wide box, this is the narrow one, I guess the apprentice box. The value of these, as near as I can determine, is about $60. This guy had this one advertised for $25. Offered him $20, but I had to pay $25. But it's a good deal for $25, absolutely. So all the knobs are there. The thing's in really good shape for an old box. Guy was a General Motors tool maker, ended his career at Delphi. So nice box. And I'm out of tool storage. I've been looking for a roll-around cabinet I can afford. Ooh, wait a minute. Yeah. That key's a little sticky. This key seems to work better. Anyways, so we'll have to clean up this front panel. Someone even clear coated over that to protect the finish. Can you believe it? We got to get rid of this too. Yeah. You know, we're running out of car makers in America. Anyways. Oh. So now we can have fewer tools piled on top of tools. Gotta find a place to set this. And at some point in the future, we're going to refinish this cover. This has been Dave on the Crafted channel. You can find good deals, you can get out there, you can work on your workshop, you can have a nice home machine shop if you want, a nice home wood shop. You can make things. And you got to hustle, you got to get out there, you got to find the deals, you got to find the bargains, you got to go get them immediately when you see the good deals. Don't wait for somebody else to get the good deal. You get the good deal. We'll see you later on the Crafted channel.